therapy. For quick relief from wheezing, nothing works faster than steam inhalation. Fill a large bowl with boiling water. Add a few drops of any essential oil of your choice, for instance, peppermint or eucalyptus oil. As you lean over the bowl, drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. Inhale the steam through your nose and mouth for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat as needed. Hot shower. Just like steam therapy, taking a hot shower can make your breathing more comfortable and stop the wheezing. The warmth of a hot shower relaxes tense airways and the moisture thins the mucus clogging them. Warm fluids. No matter what, it is important to keep your body hydrated. When it comes to wheezing, drinking warm fluids will hydrate your body as well as soothe stressed airways to help you breathe without difficulty. Drinking warm water with a little bit of lemon juice is the best option. Drinking herbal teas, such as ginger, chamomile or licorice root tea, will also help. Ginger is one of the best home treatments for wheezing. It has anti-inflammatory properties that aid in inhibiting contraction and easing inflammation in the airways. It also works as a muscle relaxant to ease chest tightness. Drink 2 to 3 cups of warm ginger tea daily. To make the tea, add 1 tablespoon of ginger slices to a cup of boiling water. Cover and steep for 10 minutes, then strain it. Drink the tea while it is still warm. Garlic is another effective remedy for stopping wheezing. It is even beneficial for treating asthma and coughing. Crush 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and boil them in 1 cup of water or milk. Allow it to cool before drinking it. Drink this 2 or 3 times a day. Alternatively, have a garlic clove along with 1 teaspoon of honey, 2 times a day.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comments my videos and don't forget to subscribe my health tips remedy channel.